Though the road may wander, it will lead me to you. And 1,000 years would be worth the wait. It may take a lifetime, but somehow I'll see it through. And I won't look back. I can go the distance, and I'll stay on track. No, I won't accept defeat. It's an uphill slug, but I won't lose hope till I go the distance, and my journey is complete.
Di ko inakalang sa pangalawang beses kong pagsubok ng Starstruck, makakarating ako ng ganito kalayo. Hindi po ako susuko. Hindi ako hihinto abutin ng mga pangarap ko noon pa. Nung pagmaragol na ako ng mga Pampanggenyo, gawan ko yung agyo ko para pagmaragol na ako ng mabilog ang Pilipinas. Aldra Brenica, anak ng Pampanga.
They can try, but they can't take that away from me. From me.
Starstruck has been a life-changing experience for me. You've seen me laugh, you've seen me cry, but through it all, I have survived. Thank you so much for your never-ending enthusiasm, support, and love that has carried me through this wonderful journey. Jewel Mish through Blue Bulacania.
Jesus, take the wheel, take it from my hands, 'cause I can't do this on my own. I'm letting go, so give me one more chance, save me from this run I'm on. Oh, Jesus, take the wheel. Jesus, take the wheel. Oh, take it.
Nung makatungtong sa kanya tatayo ako ngayon. Maswerte na po ako, nakaabot ako dito. Hindi po ako mapapagod na ipagpatuloy ang laban. Kahit ano man ang kahinatnan ko ngayong gabi. Ang nangangakong may pagmamalaki nyo mula simula hanggang katapusan. Mart Escudero po, ang survivor ng Cavite.
Stays preserved in my mind. You know every
winding journey, and I am so thankful that you have traveled this road with me. Isang simpleng dalaga na may simpleng pangarap na binigyan niyo ng pagkakataong matupad. Chris Bernal of Quezon City, I believed and I survived.
And sure they tell you, you never pull through. Don't hesitate. Stand tall and say, I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again on my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to make. And every time I feel afraid, I hold tighter to my faith, and I live one more day, and I'll make it through the rain. I can make it through the rain and stand up once again, and I live one more day, and I'm gonna make it through the rain.
Para sa isang simple at ordinaryong Ilonggo kagaya ko, ako po ay nangangarap na manalo. Sa mga taong sumusuporta sa akin at sa lahat na naniwala sa ambisyon ko, nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyong lahat. Sa tanan ng Ilonggo, salamat gid sa pagbato ninyo kay Prince Stefan.
There's a winner, there's a hero, there's a somewhere. There's a winner in you. There's a hero, there's a
Getting back into the competition after being eliminated is not easy. I made each and every way possible to make it back here, and so I did. Now that I've finally come back, and I'm at the end of this journey, I'm just so happy and fulfilled to have traveled this far. Rich Asuncion po, proud daughter of Bohol.
Thank you, Miss Regine Velasquez.
Wow! Hindi ako nakahinga doon.
A powerful number.
Kasi mausok. Ayan. Naku, sino ba ang Ultimate Survivors? Malalaman na natin yan sa pagbabalik ng
Starstruck the Next Level, the final judgment.